You are once again very welcome to Amazing Gadget and the world of awesome invention crazy gadget. And the gadget that comes in today's video is very special. It is more effective and perfect in its work than it is amazing to see. So friends, get ready to meet these gadgets one by one. If the channel has not yet subscribed, then subscribe now and set the notifications and then relax and sit down. We should start and let's go first towards gadget. Number 1. Bolt Note. Guys, we will start today from Bolt Note. This gadget actually resembling a note has a power bank which has become as important as it is in today's date because you will be able to use the smartphone only when it is charged, and the size of the normal power bank is quite large, almost like a brick. In such a situation, they cannot be kept in the pocket and only have to add to it. Overall, it becomes very problematic. So instead of a large size power bank, you can use this small Bolt Note power bank. Its size is so small that it will come in your pocket very easily. Also, you will not have to install it separately just because the charging cable is also the integrator in this gadget. You can charge it from any source. It is durable, and if you use it too roughly, then it will handle it too. In the second charging, you need multiple cables, but this gadget comes with what you need. That is, you will not have to add any extra part with it. You can use it anywhere, and you can use it in iOS as well as Android device. And another advantage of this is that you will be able to use it freely while charging your smartphone without any problem. Number 2. Tapia. Guys, this cute little gadget is actually a robot with artificial intelligence, one who will stay with you while adopting your lifestyle. The screen in it has its virtual eyes display. Through this, expresses your mood and emotion, communicates as well as other information that will give. It will also give the same screen through. This robot voice command is subtle. That is, whatever work you have to give it, you can tell it by speaking, and it can also control your smartphone. Apart from this, through this robot, you can also do online shopping, book cab. For example, if you want to purchase something, then tell this robot that he will order the product. You can do this by giving call and messaging voice commands. If you live somewhere away from your family, then this robot can prove to be your best friend because it can help you in every task so that you will never feel lonely and you will also get a friend. Number 3. Padded Airborne Cargo. Friends, Airborne Cargo is a medium-sized customized drone which you can customize with some traditional part that comes with it and give it a new look. If you are a starter in the field of drones, you do not have any experience of flying the drone and you are wondering which drones to start with, which are affordable and the feature is not less than that, then in the purpose of starting it, drones are perfect for you as friends. This is a lightweight drone made of very lightweight material, due to which its overall validity is very low. So if this drone collides with an object or even falls on the ground, then you will see a lot of damage. You can control it directly from your smartphone. It also has a camera, so if you want to purchase a drone with professional purpose, then before purchasing a high-end drone, you can practice a lot of playing and shooting videos with this drone. It can also do some minor stunts in the air and you will get quite good speed in it as well. So if you are planning to get your first drone, then you can purchase this drone in $18. Number 4. App Control Tank. First of all, let me tell you that this tank can transfer many parts in different style. Apart from this, one can do many such things which by seeing them will now make sure. This tank can also do circular rotation by moving forward or backward without standing on its position. In this, you will see a lot of sharp LED lights from front to back. Talking about its build material, it is made of very premium quality material due to which you will be able to use it for long term. And this app is a control tank, so to control it, you will not need a separate remote, rather you can run it directly from your smartphone. in which there is a camera which will show you live footage on your smartphone. You can send it anywhere, flagging anyone, and you can see it all on your smartphone live with the help of this crazy tank. Number 5. Buddy. Buddy means friend. So this is nothing but this is friendly robot. This robot is very advanced. This robot moves with the help of the wheelers engaged in it, which act as legs for this. Its virtual face has two big cute eyes and a high definition camera is present on the top of its face. With the help of this camera, robot is able to see people and also recognize them. Along with this, there is a virtual mouth with which this robot can talk. This robot is very smart. It can help you a lot in almost every work of the house, whether it is cooking, study which is of children or something else. Even if you have to make a message to someone, then you will not have to pick up your smartphone for it yourself. Rather, you should speak it and it will accept all the things like a good child. So, in a way, it will work for you. He is a virtual assistant. Although it has a face, it looks quite realistic to look like a cartoon because its expression is like this. However, this robot is very good for helping in everything from childcare and security at home. That is useful robot. Number 6. Go LED backpack. Friends, many of us use bicycle in your daily life. Someone uses to go to school, someone uses to go to coaching, and also everyone's own reason. So to increase your security on the road, you can use such LED backpack. You already know that the bicycle does not have headlights, indicator lights. In such a situation, you can have to indicate the people coming from behind while taking a train and applying brakes. But with the help of this backpack, you will not have to do all this because it has an LED indicator panel which has arrow displays to give indicators to the entire panel with left and right. Now the question arises as to which arrow is in it, when will it be, how you will control it. It is very easy with it. You will get a small remote which you can put on the handle of your bicycle, and then whenever you take a turn or if you want to stop, just press its button and this backpack will display the arrow for you according to your requirement. Those who come from behind will be able to see from far away. Number 7. Hyo. So friends, this gadget will make you a hub for all the smart devices in your home. The camera is present in this device as it will be able to see your gestures and you will be able to control all your smart devices with gestures. We have seen voice commands like Alexa, but it becomes a better option than that. Having a base on the gesture, you can control it from your smart TV to smart speaker and even your smartphone. Number 8. Keyboardio. Now if you are bored using the traditional keyboard with your PC and want to try something completely unique and new, then meet Keyboardio. The keyboard is a device that is important, but it also causes problems in different ways. For example, if someone faces space issues, then someone is for comfort and some is for size. But this unique keyboard named Keyboardio has been created keeping all these problems in mind. This keyboard is divided into two parts. It is also very customizable. One of the biggest advantages you will get from this keyboard is comfort. That is, you can use both parts of this keyboard according to the comfort of your hands by placing it on the designed position. And from gaming to official work, it becomes a very good option. So make the video a like, subscribe to the channel and set the notifications so that such fun gadgets can be seen by you first. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, friends.